Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to make a strawberry Hennessy martini. Very simple, very easy to make. First we're going to use 2 shots of my all-time favorites, Hennessy. Next step, only need a shot of this very fancy, very smooth triple sec. Tap measure, and we're gonna follow it up with strawberry daiquiri mix. About a couple splashes of that. Then lemonade. About between 8 to 12 ounces of lemonade, depending how strong you want it. Now, time to pour it. And then you add your garnish. Strawberry Hennessy martini.